Any mention? May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 7.
Yes.
My Lord, the similar matter is still pending before the division bench, my Lord, so I'm seeking some time.
Yes. 4 weeks. 4 weeks as a request. Yes.
I'll oblige, my Lord. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Item number 5. Item number 5, Your Lordship.
Yes.
As the conducting council is indisposed, so I need 2-week time, Your Lordship.
Who's the other side? Here.
Samosika. No objection, Lordship.
So let's have the prior meeting of the petition list after
2 weeks.
Yes. You record her name as registered by so and so on behalf of the petitioner. Yes.
Much obliged. May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8. Lordship, I pray that the matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
No objection, Your Lordship.
It also the request of the petition. List after 2 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Number 6.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to make a mention of part 2 of the hearing. This item number 6, Your Lordship.
Item 6.
Item number 6, yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
This matter may be listed after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
No objection, Lordship.
As a request, we have the respondent. This is matter after 3 weeks. Not objected to by the London Council obtained for the petitioner. This is after 3 weeks. Yes.
I oblige, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11.
Yes.
I pray for a week time. I'm not well.
Yes, Mr. Sheikh.
Yes, Lordship. I am for the state. Here the private respondent is there, 3 and 4. And
But there are private respondents also.
yes, Lordship.
So petition seeking quashing
Yes, Lordship.
For question.
2 weeks at the request of the petition. Yes.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9.
Yes.
Lordship, we require 2 more weeks, my lord. For preparation, my lords. Just 2 more weeks.
No objection.
It's also a request made on the state. This is matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, my lords. Obliged.
Item number 1.
Who is for?
Lordship, Mr. Peter Bora is on sanctioned leave.
Is on leave.
Yes, my lords.
It is pending for what?
Lordship, filing
On
of
the last occasion also no one appeared for the petitioner.
That's right, my lords. On the last occasion, nobody appeared apart from me, my lords, and before that, or by order dated 20th of February,
Yes.
respondents number 4
Yes.
had sought time to file objections.
We have already filed also.
You have already filed objection? Yes.
Your Lordship's respondent 2 and 3 will be filing
But if they have rejoined us, we don't.
Who grants leave to a lawyer? When applying for leave, does it mean that there should not be anyone to represent the party? None appears for the petitioner. It is stated But then he is appearing in person. Just say non-appears for the petitioner. Stop. Just record their thing. So and so, so and so. State is filing any objection here. No. The Electronic Council for the Response number 4 submits that an objection on behalf of the said respondent has already been filed. Yeah, 2 and 3 will not file, isn't it? The 4 has said they are filed, isn't it? The Electronic Council, Electronic GA representing the state, as well as Electronic Council representing the respondent number 2 and 3, submit that no objection on behalf of the said respondent is required to be filed. Is it ready for hearing, or but then it will be proper in absence of these things? Okay. Just give a paragraph. Let's wait for list this matter after 2 weeks.
Oblige also.
Item number 2.
Please, Your Lordship, we are required to file an objection, my lord, but we won't be filing, my lord.
Then why do you take time before?
Lordship, I went through the papers, my lord, only recently, so we came to acknowledge that Lordship has already passed an order, my lord, in view of that Order 6, wherein Lordship has already stated that the Limitation Act is not applicable, my lord. So, in view of that, my lord, we won't be filing objection.
Mr. Moment, Lord Council. There is only one respondent, or there are how many respondents?
Only one respondent, my lord.
There are two petitioners.
Two petitioners, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Moment, Lord Council, appearing for the respondent, submits that though on the earlier occasion time has been sought for filing objection, comma, the respondent, after proper assessment, after going through the matter, decided not to file the same. Then what shall we proceed for hearing, or what?
You proceed for hearing, Lordship. Admission hearing, my lord, because we are challenging the maintainability, my lord.
On what ground?
They have not exhausted the remedy. They are challenging the final order, my lord. But they should have filed for an appeal, my lord. They are coming under revision, my lord.
What order has been challenged?
They are challenging the final order, my lord.
Final order passed in?
Passed in title suit number 1 of 2012.
That means a decree,
Lordship.
or it's a dismissal? What?
It's a decree, my lord.
You are the plaintiff.
Yes, I was
It
also.
was decreed in your favor.
Lordship.
And then against that, they have not filed an appeal.
No.
They have come by revision
Lordship.
under Rule 6.
Order 6.
Yes, why? What is the purpose?
Your Lordship, I have no instructions on this matter, Your Lord. And the
The
arguing
instruction
counsel.
is not needed here. It's a question of law. See, like,
The conductor counsel is Mr.
Anyway.
Papaske, Your Lordship.
okay, just say spread for the parties. Give a paragraph as per the parties. This is a matter for admission here.
Lordship.
Lordship.
Hello, Lordship.
Item number 3.
May I please, Your
Yes.
Lordship? I'm appearing for respondent number 3, Lordship. We're supposed to file the objection, Lordship. Some more time, Lordship.
Yes.
No objection.
No objection. You are there, Mr. Sheikh.
And for 1 and 2, Lordship, for this day.
You are not filing anything. Yes.
This will be hard. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir. MS So ensure learned counsel preparing for the lesson number 3 praised for and granted further 2 weeks.
It's not sure.
Time for filing objection and list accordingly.
Highly obliged, Worship.
Much obliged.
Item number 4.
May it please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, on the last occasion when the matter was taken up and by the order of this Honorable Court, Lordship, we were required to take steps with regard to issuing notice on the sole respondent. We have taken step, my Lord, and as far as the status report is concerned, my Lord, the same is still awaited, Your Lordship.
So what shall we do?
Lordship,
Shall we wait for service or?
yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, it is submitted by the learned counsel of the petitioner that notice has been issued to the sole respondent. However, submit report is still the service no service report has been received till date. Stop. Paragraph. Await report of service list after 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, the interim order may be extended.
There is an interim order.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Interim order, if any, shall continue till the returnable date. Yes.
Highly obliged, ma'am.
Hearing item number 10.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, this is a conviction under section 304, part 2, and also section 34 of the Indian Penal Code, my lord. And by the quantum of sentence, we were imprisoned. We were sentenced to undergo a simple imprisonment of 5 years with a fine of rupees 30,000. And on default of the payment, to further undergo imprisonment of 3 years, my lord. This order has been passed by the additional session judge, Shillong, my lord.
Yes.
The item number, my lord, 12 and 13, these are connected matters, my lord, and by this impugned judgment, both the accused persons were convicted, and both the accused persons are brothers, my lord.
You are representing both the accused.
Both the accused persons, my lord. My lord, the ground that I would like to canvass upon is, my lord, there are two star witnesses, my lord, PW1 and PW9, my lord. According to them, my lord, according to the prosecutions, they are the ocular witnesses, my lord. Ocular witnesses who happened to be at the place of the occurrence, my lord. But when we analyze the depositions, the statements given under 164, both the prosecution witnesses never stated anywhere that it is us who has done the act of assaulting, resulting into the demise of the victim here, one of the victim, my lord. In fact, they said the involvement was of about 6 to 7 persons, my lord. The prosecution simply failed to even bring forward, examined who are these 6 to 7 persons, my lord. The 6 to 7 persons who were a part of the team in assaulting are imaginary peoples, my lord. And more so, the ocular witnesses, which is supposed to be the best prosecution's witnesses, have never stated, it is, just to reiterate myself, it is my overt act that led to the demise of the disease, my lord. My lord, we have been convicted under section 304, my lord, and that is a culpable homicide not amounting to murder. Initially, my lord, when the police have registered the case, they had registered the case under section 302, the punishment for murder, my lord. And subsequently, my lord, in the course of the trial, this was altered to 304. Now, my lord, section
Alteration was done after giving notice to you. The charge was framed under what section?
The charge was framed under section 304, my lord.
304.
304, my lord.
So this alteration of charge was done at the time of submission of the charge sheet?
Yes, my lord.
So no 302 was.
Yes. During the course of the investigation, no ingredients of section 302 was found. Therefore, now, my lord, in order to understand culpable homicide, my lord, section 299 of the Indian Penal Code, my lord, it is very important, my lord. Section 299 describes what is culpable homicide, and there are 3 instances under the definition of culpable homicide where it says that an act or causing, that also is an act, and another one is such act causes death. So therefore, in 3 occasions, my lord, section 299 says that the act must be done.
The principle of corpus delicti,
my lord,
that is what is needed in a murder.
Yes. So, my lord, now having said that, my lord, I will just like to take my lord to the FIR first, in the first place, my lord. The FIR is at page 1. The page 1, and this is, and the typed copy of the FIR is at page 3, my lord.
Yes.
Page 3. So may I read the FIR, my lord?
Yes, please.
To the officer in charge, Cantonment Beat House, subject first information report. Sir, with reference to the subject cited above, I, Mr. Babiangjit Kurkarlang, would like to inform you that when I was collecting a parking fee at Sora bus stand from a local taxi bearing a registration number ML04797493, the people who were inside the taxi, around 6 or 7 of them, instead of giving the parking fee, they are making trouble and threaten me. And after some time, Same group came with hammer, stick, knife, and they severely assaulted me and my brother Rijit Kurkarlang, resulting his death. Therefore, I would like to request you to take stern action against them as per legal, especially as I have lost my brother, my lord. Now, my lord, this is the FIR. We got arrested. Three of us got arrested, my lord. The driver of the taxi and two brothers, my lord. Now, my lord, I'll just tell little bit story here how we got arrested, my lord. How we got arrested. In fact, it was we who went to the police beat house that day, my lord. Who went to the beat house? I am not denying the fact, my lord, a fight had happened at the place, my lord. I am not denying the fact, my lord. Now, these persons, at that relevant point of time, we do not know who are these persons, my lord. They broke the taxi of the taxi driver, my lord, who was let off now, who was initially got arrested but let off now. And we went to the beat house, my lord, and we were also assaulted. So we went to the beat house to file a complaint to the police. In taking cognizance of our FIR, the police has sent us for a medical test to the civil hospital, my lord. We went to the civil hospital. After some time, my lord, along with a constable, we went there and we went back to the police station. Intervening in between, my lord, this person who was injured, my lord, who was injured in that scuffle was brought to the hospital. And since the jurisdiction of beat house, it falls within the jurisdiction of beat house, because this person got injured, he was declared dead later on, so accordingly we were arrested, my lord. So this is how we came to be arrested, my lord. This is how we came to be arrested. I'm just trying to narrate that how we got arrested, because the FIR is filed by some unknown person, but how we got arrested. In fact, it is us who went to lodge.
Unknown person. FIR is filed by a named person.
No.
It is unknown person.
Yes, okay, yes. So I'm just trying to say that how we got arrested in this, and then because this statement would help me later on, because when they say that they identified us, because where they identified us, because the police has already arrested us, are these people, even if they don't know, because we went and complained that the scuffle that has happened.
Was there any test identification period held during the course of investigation?
There was a test period. It was held. Yes, it was held. That was under the judicial custody, my lord. But
no, it was held.
It was held.
See,
it was held.
You will challenge all those things. Just
Yes.
give us the facts first.
Yes.
Not your version of the story.
Yes.
Your version you will give us later.
Yes.
Once we know the fact.
Yes.
Now, what this court is asking you, so there was a TIP.
TIP was there. TIP was there.
In the TIP, you were identified.
Yes.
Rightly or wrongly, we will come to later.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So you are identified.
Yes.
So that is also one thing against you.
Yes, that's aggravating, one thing against me. Yes. But the mitigating in this is because how did they identify me? Because we were already in police station.
Just tell us on the basis of what you have been convicted. Then
Yes.
we'll come to see.
Yes, my lord. So now, my lord, the prosecution have filed the charge sheet, my lord, and the after the investigation, my lord, the prosecution have filed the charge sheet.
Yes.
And they have got a help of 13 witnesses as a prosecution witnesses, my lord. Now, out of all these 13 witnesses, my lord, as I said, that the 2 witnesses are very important, because 2 witnesses yes, 2 witnesses on the statement of that I was convicted.
Are they the identifier? Were they the person who identified you in the TIP?
Yes, one of them. One of them. So, my lord, on the basis of this, I can win my case also, my lord. So these are both what both sides. So no, my lord, first let me take my lord directly to the statement 164 statement of
You will not take us to the charge sheet. We would not like to see the prosecution story, what has been reflected in the charge sheet.
prosecution of the story, my lord. Yes, because 164 is also a part of the charge sheet. That's why I thought I'll just take.
Anyway, it's up to you. If you want
Yes.
to come to 164, it's all right.
So, my lord, the prosecution of the story is at page 25, my lord. Page 25.
That is a charge sheet, isn't it?
Yes, it's a part of the charge sheet, my lord. Page 25. May I just read very quickly, my lord? On 29/4/2011,
Yes.
a report was submitted to the Honorable Court of Additional District Judge Shillong that was requested to revoke. I'm sorry, this is not a story.
No, this is not charge.
26. Let us just check that part, the story of the. I must tell my court, my lords, that when the trial in the trial court, when a defense lawyer has done, there was like not one legible paper was there. So whatever scratches here and there I could make out. So therefore, my lord,
Could have seen the LC record here.
But my lord, I will
normally that is how paper book is prepared.
my lord,
You should not be dependent on whatever you have.
my lord.
You can avail this.
My lord, may I just take directly to my lord this?
No, why you want to skip the prosecution? See, if we get the prosecution story, that helps us.
May I just see the LC?
It is not there in your paper book.
My lord, it is not there, my lord.
You incorporate it.
My lord.
You incorporate. That is a vital document. How can you miss it?
Yes, my lord. Because
you should have verified. Why you did not say it? This after paper book is submitted, kindly check it. If there is any deficiency, inform them.
My lord, this because I was under impression because the voice.
It is not that to blame you, Mr. Guru. It is just for the purpose of.
My lord,
yes, my lord.
At least it should not be something like that that we proceed for hearing for some time.
We are expected
You start
to
applying your mind and then you find things.
we are expected to assist.
The report has come from the reports. My lord, may I be given liberty to check the compared with reports?
Definitely. See, LC record, I definitely, councils have liberty, isn't it?
LC record.
See.
Okay.
So you just get it from there and it should have been this way. You have been, I think you were supplied copies before the trial began. And then definitely that should be a part of your thing.
My lord,
copies under what is it, 207.
My lord, to be with this thing, my lord, because not even one. Of course, the papers were supplied, my lord, but the manner in which the papers were supplied, my lord, it's so difficult
you have a right to get, you see, good legible copies. You should have raised it.
My lord.
We'll see. We'll list it another day. You check it later.
Yes, we'll see this on that. My lord, today is next Monday, my lord. Next Monday.
Why even next Monday? After a week, you see why it's.
After a week, my lord.
We do not know. There are other criminals also. There are many other criminal appeals. There are certain matters which are hard also. Judgments are yet to be passed.
My lord, allow me to then in that case allow me to submit a supplementary paper book. Supplementary paper book, my lord.
And you do not confine yourself only to the prosecution story. See the other things also.
My lord, my lord.
And if you find if there are any other vital things, be it exhibit or deposition or any other statement or anything you want to rely, if it is not a find of these things, you will buy.
My lord, my lord. I'm grateful, my lord.
Yes. Hard land counsel with the parties. It appears that paper book does not contain the copy. Does not contain some documents which are relevant for consideration of this appeal. Mr. Given London Council for the appellant. will verify the missing documents in the paper book, verify the documents which may be relevant and missing in the paper book, comma, and shall file and shall bring those on record by filing an additional paper book.
My lord.
The exercise may be completed within a period of
1 week, my lord. We'll try to do it this week itself, and we'll file it by the end of this week, my lord.
It's up to you. If you want more than that, I can give you.
No, my lord, because
1 week.
I'm grateful, my lord, because
1 week. A list after 10 days.
10 days, my lord. Yes.
Please see all the things are. You should
My
not get disrupted at the time.
Yes, my lord.
And if you skip it, that will go to your disadvantage. This court will find out everything. But the only thing is that
Even
if this is not pointed out with the council, it takes a lot of time for us.
even in this other case is there, with the Young Rise case, my lord. They have CID has submitted us this much of bundle of 6 cases. Not even half of them are not legible, and it's been 6 months. We are not able to hear the consideration
File
of charge.
appropriate application.
Yes. So this is what happens. So anyway,
It
my lord,
happens, but then you should be diligent, isn't it?
my lord.
You, the council who are assisting you,
Yes.
they should
This-
be diligent to be see. You see, like normally what happens after you get a copy, you sometimes you do not check it then and there.
Yes.
You
Yes.
should do it. Make sure.
Good.
Especially while conducting trial.
Trial.
That is very important.
Yes.
You verify it with the records of the court, whether all the documents you have received or not, because you will not know.
Yes.
So you have to verify it from the record.
Correct. Obliged.
Yes.
Item number 14.
Miss, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Just for questioning the FIR dated 6910. What happened? Your Lordship, I take Your Lordship to prosecution story of the case, Your Lordship. Page 55.
Page 55.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. You are seeking quashing of a matter which is already been charge sheeted.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And what is the ground of quashing?
Your Lordship is a civil dispute, Your Lordship. One section is criminal trespass, and other section is because it's involved with the here, Your Lordship, involved with the Senghasi, Your Lordship, this between the village authorities of the village and the Senghasi, Your Lordship, the religious of this indigenous tribe or indigenous.
And you are who? Who are you? You are representing whom?
I'm the headman, Your Lordship. So what
There
happened-
was a FIR by this Nkasi.
Yes, Your Lordship. What happened regarding the regarding for trespass, like, because there's a boundary dispute between the cemetery ground of the Senghasi, Your Lordship, and the village, Lordship. So what happened?
Let us go. Yes. Come to page 50.
You take paragraph 2. May I read?
Paragraph?
Paragraph 2, Your Lordship.
Yes. No, why you just read the first one also?
Okay, sir. The prosecution story of the case that on 4/10/2021 received a FIR from Ban Pira El Marbanyang to effect that on 4/10/2021 Sri Tiffin Nongrum Hetman and Sri Yobalang Mukim Secretary of Mapon Village called for the Sabar and legally attempt to stop Ban Pira El Marbanyang to participate in the Darbar. Further, the Darbar has also spoken to other members of the village not to sell or buy any books to the Senghasi members of the village, also prohibit the village to visit the house of the members of Senghasi. However, on receipt of the SI bidding, though Umar has deputed with an eye to cause inquiry into the matter by unit vehicle number so and so, having hence the case investigation into. During the case investigation, the PO was visited at cemetery ground of Mapun village and met the complainant of the case and other members of Senghasi. On being led by them, it was found that the cemetery ground of Mujitep of Senghasi Mapun village mistake has also been trespassed and encroached by different Nongrum headman of Mapur village, Ribojisik, they have dug the same land for construction of water surveyor under the JAL Jivan mission scheme of about 30 meters wide and 20 meters approximately in the depth. Also, they have removed an operative signboard and stone pillars marking the boundary of cementing ground of Sengkasi. Accordingly, a photograph of the PO were taken, and it's also noted that in the month of August, both the parties have pledged an FIR on counter FIR in the matter. Accordingly, a non-FIR was submitted to the Additional District Magistrate Nongpo by Umroy PIC number FIR so and so and Umyam PS FIR case number 6 2021 under section 107.
Was there any proceeding initiated on the basis of 107 145 CRPC?
No, Your Lordship, only a bond was executed. Till now that's pending because
no proceeding was initiated.
No. Further, Srimati L. Marbanyang Complainant, C. Senda Lingdo, President of Sengkasi, and Srimati Bandilang Masar.
Are there party here?
Only the complainant. And the complainant has made a party, Lordship. The complainant.
Okay. The complainant is represented. Yes, you are opposing their prayer?
No, Your Lordship, I have no objection. Just want to clarify.
Is there any settlement?
Yes, Lordship. I find it.
There is a compromise.
Compromise.
Where is the compromise? Then why you are taking us to all this? You just say you are
Page
seeking
18, Lordship. Page 18.
Type copy at page 18, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Before I take Your Lordship page 18, Your Lordship can see the page 17 or this page 16 is it's in a Khasi language, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Try to show that on page 17.
Compromise is not executed on any stamp paper and all.
This is between the village Darbar, Lordship. Compromise.
No, but then it has to be agreement, has to be this thing executed on some stamp paper.
Here the complainant is already signed, Your Lordship.
I'm the respondent, the number 4, I'm the complainant, and I'm signatory, that's witness number 4 to this.
Yes.
Compromise agreement. And
that is all right, but then agreement has its own format of these things.
Yes.
It doesn't dispense with the requirement of, you see, like paying stamp duty for agreement. No, you have executed a proper agreement and then you come back. For legal consideration of agreement must be this thing, a valid agreement.
Okay, Lord.
Then what you will do? Then a foundation of your entire petition goes, you have to enter into a new compromise.
Yes, sir.
What you will do?
Can I execute this the same condition agreement in a new? Then I'll submit additional.
This court cannot permit me to do that.
No, I'll just the matter come after 2 weeks. Then I'll ask her to execute a proper agreement. Then I can bring by way of affidavit, Lordship.
But then, can you amend the criminal proceeding? This is a criminal. This is not a civil law. Civil case.
Yes, sir.
Then the provision of amendment is not there.
Then I'll just take instruction. Let the matter come up shortly.
You take instruction then. Shall we record it? That is not valid, but we will not record that.
Okay.
Just otherwise you have to compromise, file afresh by making.
Yes.
Earlier on, maybe there are certain other cases where probably Mr. Kinjing was appearing and then it happened that way. They had to withdraw and then file afresh.
Yes, other case we just filed those.
You are a lawyer, you should be taking note of all those things. Yes. Respect for by the counsel for the petitioner. How long it will be taking?
Only 1 week. 1 week time.
Okay, respect for Mr. Kiriam Learned Counsel appearing to the petitioner. List this matter after 1 week.
Yes, sir.
Yes.